This is how you can get substantially better output from your GenAI tooling like Claude or OpenCode. If you're trying to solve a problem, getting to a working solution is really easy. And that is now amplified because of GenAI and how easily you can get to that 80% working solution. But those last 20% is what sort of gets you. That's where the plan mode comes into picture. Plan mode is essentially the same thing when we used to do coding by hand, which is take a piece of paper and figure out the edge cases of a solution and use that to figure out whether your solution is going to handle not just the main use case, but also go around and get to the edge cases without failing. For example, I'm currently writing a solution for my shell .files project, which works on WSL, Linux, and Mac OS. And I want to make it work with a specific set of edge cases. The way I use plan mode is by asking it to not think about the solution at all, but think only about the edge cases and write that into a table. Now, I also have another project which converts the plan that Claude shows in the CLI to this PDF, so I can view it a lot easily. I call it paper project because looking at tables and everything, I find it a lot easier to do it on a PDF. And it can also be shared easily with others if required. Once the edge cases are laid out, it's highly likely that you will see a couple of edge cases that you might not have a thought of when you were thinking about the original working solution. Once you're happy with the edge case, or if you want to modify it, modify the plan.markdown file that Claude generates, and now use that as your next starting point for the actual implementation. Follow if you want to learn more about GenAI and local AI.